How much does professional document editing cost? The cost of professional document editing will depend on the amount of time spent editing. The more time spent, the higher the cost. It is important to note that some editors charge by the word and others by the page. The average cost for a short document, 1 to 2 pages, is 2 cents per word, or $4 for a 500-word document. For longer documents, 5 pages or more, it can be as high as 4 cents per word, or $20 for a 2,500-word document. Average freelance editing rates. The average freelance editing rates vary depending on the type of editing, the location, and the experience of the editor. The rates also depend on whether it is more in-depth content editing or just proofreading. In-depth content editing is $20 to $50 per hour. Proofreading costs $10 to $15 per hour. Thanks for watching. TCC6.com